am so excited to present this house to you. It's 2258 Juan Pablo Lane, here in the heart of Live Oak. What I love about this home is that it's a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath at 1167 square feet on a great lot with tons of functionality. But that's not the best part. The best part is that it's a great price for a starter home, but it's also a perfect home for somebody who's downsizing because it's all single level with just a few stairs on the entry. Come on and take a look. So here in the yard space, the seller has put a lot of time and energy and effort into making sure this property is turnkey for the next owner. We've got a brand new fence along the front and side yard here on the right. We've got updated landscaping throughout, including grass area in the back, small patio in the back as well, and then some rock that's perfect for the drainage and it's not messy. What I love is that you've got these little pockets of yard space throughout that really make this lot fully usable for what it is. Come on inside this bright blue front door and I'll show you the interior features as well. So this single level home was built in the 80s, but we've got updated dual pane windows throughout, new flooring, including this great LVP product in the main floor area, including this turquoise tile in the bathrooms that's got a lot of style, and carpet in the bedrooms to make sure it feels warm and cozy. There's also this extra loft space with vaulted ceilings, but it doesn't stop there. We did a pre-sale inspection on this property and we went through and made sure that all the major repairs were done. We found out that there was a leaky toilet, we got that repaired. We found out that there was a small leak under the sink, we got that repaired. When the seller found out that it needed a new roof, guess what? That's done too. This place is really ready for the next owner and it's clean and beautiful. Wrapping around from the entry into the living room, you come into this dining space that opens to the kitchen, where you've got new stone countertops and matching white appliances throughout. Both bedrooms are here at the back with our single level floor plan, and they're quite large. This is the primary bedroom, and it's big, and you've got 2 big closets as well. Something I didn't quite appreciate about this house until I spent some time here was the fact that when you're inside the house, you look outside of it and all you see is privacy. You've got this new fence on this side and there's a nice wall on the other side that has ivy on it. So whether you're looking at green, which is the nice landscaping that's been put in, or a new fence, or just having this space to breathe on the side yard, you've got plenty of room to make it your own. For being in the middle of town, this lot has 0 wasted square footage. You've got in this backyard area a great lawn space for playing or dog run. And then just behind you there is a nice gravel patio with a stone center, perfect for a fire pit or maybe a dining set. So if you're interested in learning more about this incredible opportunity for something that has everything you need and nothing you don't, that uses its space incredibly well, give me a call for more information or a private tour at 831-471-7330. My name is Peter Eubank with the Eubank Property Group. I look forward to talking to you soon.